Good morning, boys and girls. Let's do some math. All right, so first off, grab your thinking cap and put that right on. All right, we are going to be working with some times and some shapes again. What we're going to do today is I'm going to hold up the clock. You're going to write down the time that I'm showing you. Okay, and we're going to do that a couple times. Then I'm going to describe some shapes to you. I can describe shapes, and all I want you to do on that same paper is to draw the shape that I'm describing. So this is like a practice. It's almost like a little quiz, right? It's almost like a little quiz. We've been practicing for a while, and you guys are doing a great job. So we're going to keep it up. We're just going to step it up a little bit, make it a little bit more challenging today. What do you say? I think that sounds excellent. Most excellent. I do too, Ganga. Thank you for coming by. What did you want to help us out with? Oh yeah. Well, what I wanted to do was, Mr. T, can you hold up that clock there? Oh yeah. All right. So the clock, when you look closely at it, look at the small hand. Yeah, that's the hour hand. That's going to tell you what the hour is. Now the bigger hand, that is the minute hand. And when we look at it, if it's pointing directly up at the 12, that means that the hour hand will be pointing directly at a number, and that will be the hour. Okay? All right? Now, if the minute hand is pointing down at the 6, well, that means that 30 minutes have gone by. That's right. That means this would be 11:30. See how the hour hand is now in between the 11 and 12? Ah, so you have to remember that it's not quite to 12 yet. It's still 11. Okay? Alright, boys and girls, best of luck. I'm gonna go catch some waves. We'll see you later. Later, dudes. Later, dudettes. Alright. And Ganga, he really likes that surfing, so anytime there's good waves out there, he's got to go do that right away. But he was kind enough to come and help us out with our times. So, you guys ready? Let's do some time telling. What do you say? Let's start off with, why not? Write this time down. Okay. And if at any time, if I'm going too fast and you need to pause this, please do so. Here's our second time of the day. Okay. Let's get another one in there. What time do we have here? Remember what Ganga said about the hour and the minute hands and their placement, okay? That'll help you out. Okay. What do we have going on here? Remember, the clock moves this direction, okay? So when you're trying to figure out the hour, if it hasn't reached an hour yet, it's the previous number, right? Kind of got to look back a little bit. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, what about this one? Any ideas? Okay, and one more for today. Let's see what we have right here. All right, so now that you've written our times down, we've got a number of different times written down on the same page. I'm going to describe actually, why don't I have a friend come and describe some shapes? I don't need to describe them because we have boom. Come on. Your hand. Come on up. Red. Red is here, and Red, you're going to help us out because you're pretty good at describing shapes, aren't you? Oh, well, thank you, Mr. T. I'd love to. Okay, boys and girls, what you're going to do is just draw a picture of the shape that I am describing, okay? Okay, first, this shape has 4 sides. This shape also has 4 vertices. Now this shape is special because every side is the same length. So 4 sides that are all the same length. What shape is that? Go ahead and draw it. Okay, next shape. You ready? This shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices. What shape is this? What shape has 3 sides and 3 vertices? Okay, finally, here is our last shape of the day. This is a shape that has no vertices at all. What shape could that be? Yeah, no vertices. Is that what you said? Yeah, no vertices at all. What shape is that? And what shape is that? Just draw it on your paper, boys and girls. Red, you know what I noticed? What's that? We're matching. So we are. Like Little Red Riding Hood and Big Red Riding Hood. I don't know, right? Yep. I don't know about that one, Mr. T. Okay. All right. Well, next thing I want you guys to do, boys and girls, write your numbers from 1 to 120 or as high as you can go. Okay? Try to beat the last time you did it. Right? So some people are getting up right around 100. See if you can get past that today. Do your best. Okay? Do your best. All right. Boys and girls, thank you for joining us. Thank you to Ganga for helping us out. Thank you to Red for joining us. Wonderful job as always, Red. We'd love to have you around. Boys and girls, have fun with this, and we'll talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.